Meaning of extemporization.
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 Extemporization. The term extemporization refers to the act of improvising or performing without prior preparation, planning, or script. It is a technique commonly used in music, theater, and public speaking. The result of extemporization may vary depending on the performer's skill, creativity, and ability to adapt to unexpected situations. Sometimes the performance can be stunningly brilliant, while other times it may be average or even disappointing. Extensive practice and experience can help improve one's extemporizing ability, but ultimately, it requires quick thinking, confidence, and a willingness to take risks.